Ever felt like you're missing out on the future of finance? Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, is making waves, and more people are looking to get involved. But where do you even start? It can feel overwhelming, especially with so many platforms out there. Today, we're going to simplify the process and walk you through exactly how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken, a popular and reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Now, before we dive in, it's crucial to understand a few things. This isn't financial advice. I'm simply showing you how the platform works. Investing in Bitcoin, or any cryptocurrency, carries risk. The market is volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate dramatically. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and do your own thorough research before making any decisions. Got it? Great. So, why Kraken? Well, it's known for its robust security measures, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and user-friendly interface, making it a good option for both beginners and experienced traders. They also have a strong reputation and have been around for a while in the crypto space. That said, it's always wise to research multiple exchanges and choose one that best fits your needs. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to create an account. Head over to kraken.com. You'll see a Create Account button, usually prominently displayed. Click it. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, like your email address, username, and a strong password. Remember, security is paramount. Choose a password that's unique and difficult to guess. Kraken, like most reputable exchanges, will likely require you to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a code from your phone or another device in addition to your password. I highly recommend enabling 2FA. It significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your account. Once you've created your account and enabled 2FA, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure for regulated exchanges and helps prevent fraud and money laundering. The verification process usually involves providing personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and address. You may also be required to upload a copy of your government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. Don't worry, this is a normal part of the process. Kraken uses secure methods to store and protect your data. After your identity is verified, you're ready to deposit funds. Kraken offers various deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and other cryptocurrencies. The availability of these methods can vary depending on your location. Bank transfers are often the most cost-effective option, but they can take a few days to process. Credit or debit card deposits are usually faster, but they may come with higher fees. If you already have another cryptocurrency, you can deposit it into your Kraken account and use it to buy Bitcoin. To deposit funds, navigate to the funding section of your Kraken account. You'll see a list of available deposit methods. Choose the one that suits you best and follow the instructions. If you're using a bank transfer, you'll typically need to provide your bank account details and Kraken's bank information. If you're using a card, you'll need to enter your card details. Remember to double-check all the information before confirming the deposit. Now, the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. Once your funds have arrived in your Kraken account, you can start trading. Go to the trade section of the platform. You'll see a trading interface, which might look a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down. You'll typically see a chart showing the price of Bitcoin, along with order books showing buy and sell orders. On the side, you'll find the order form. This is where you'll place your order to buy Bitcoin. Kraken usually offers different order types, such as market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order is the simplest type. It executes your order immediately at the current market price. This is a good option if you want to buy Bitcoin quickly and don't mind paying the current price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy Bitcoin. Your order will only be executed if the market price reaches your limit price. This gives you more control over the price you pay. A stop-loss order is used to limit your potential losses. It triggers a market or limit order when the price of Bitcoin reaches a certain level. For beginners, a market order is often the easiest way to start. Simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, or the amount of your currency you want to spend, and click the buy button. Kraken will execute your order and add the Bitcoin to your account balance. Congratulations! You've just bought Bitcoin on Kraken. Now, it's crucial to securely store your Bitcoin. While Kraken has robust security measures, it's generally recommended to store your Bitcoin in a personal wallet, also known as a cold wallet or hardware wallet, which is a physical device that stores your private keys offline. This significantly reduces the risk of hacking. Kraken allows you to withdraw your Bitcoin to your own wallet. I highly recommend researching different wallet options and choosing one that suits your needs. To withdraw your Bitcoin, go back to the funding section of your Kraken account. Find the withdraw option for Bitcoin. You'll need to enter your wallet address, which is a unique string of characters that identifies your Bitcoin wallet. Double-check the address carefully before confirming the withdrawal. Once the withdrawal is processed, your Bitcoin will be transferred to your personal wallet. So, that's it. You've learned how to create an account on Kraken, verify your identity, deposit funds, buy Bitcoin, and withdraw it to your own wallet. Remember, this is just the basics. There's a lot more to learn about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Keep researching, stay informed, and be cautious. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.